Two engines, same displacement, 2 liters, one runs on petrol, the other on diesel. Which one puts more real power to the wheels? The answer is not as straightforward as you think. We're keeping this comparison fair. Both engines have the same displacement, 2000 cubic centimeters. We're not talking about turbo versus naturally aspirated yet. We're talking about how fuel type, combustion characteristics, and engine design affect the final power output. Petrol engines are designed for higher revs. They ignite a petrol-air mixture with a spark plug, allowing smoother and faster combustion. This means they can spin faster, and power is a product of torque and RPM. The diesel engines compress air so much that the fuel ignites from heat alone. They run at higher compression ratios, creating more torque per stroke, but with lower maximum RPM. This is the key. Diesel gives you more torque for the same size, which is great for towing and heavy loads. Petrol gives you higher RPM, which can mean more peak horsepower, but less pulling force at low speeds. So, on a racetrack, petrol wins because high RPM equals high power. On a mountain road with a heavy trailer, diesel wins because torque moves mass more effectively. Same displacement, different strengths. If your goal is maximum horsepower at high speeds, go petrol. If you want pulling strength and efficiency, go diesel. A same size doesn't mean same purpose. It's all about the right engine for the right job. Which one would you choose for your car? Comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more engineering face-offs.